We've talked about different types of logs. We said there was a base 10, and log base 10 of 100 is 10 to what power gives you 100? That's 2. There are other bases that we use in mathematics. There's log base 2. Log base 2 of 16 equals what? Well, 2 to what power equals 16? 4. There's log base 2 of 32. 2 to what power equals 32? That's 5. There are other types of funny logs. For example, log base 8 of 1 over 64 equals what? Well, if we rewrite this, we'd see that 8 to the x power equals 1 over 64. Just like with 10. 10 to the 2 power equals 100 in this example. So we're just rewriting this in exponential format. So I'm doing that down here. 8 to the x power equals 1 over 64. Well, 64 is equal to 8 squared. I can rewrite that, bringing 8 squared into the numerator as 8 to the negative 2. So we have 8 to the x power equals 8 to the negative 2. So the exponents have to be equal. So log base 8 of 1 over 64 has to be equal to negative 2, because 8 to the negative 2 power equals 1 over 64. So there are many different types of bases that we can use with logs. One of the more often used bases is e. Let me get that up here, the letter e. That serves as a base. Log base e of a equals y. That's interesting. What is e? Well, let's take a look at e. I'm going to turn this on and then shift E. There's my E. I'm going to hit enter. E is 2.718281828. Wow, that's a mouthful. So let's see a problem. Log base E of 100 equals what? Well, that's a tough one. That means E to what power equals 100? So let me solve this with the calculator. I'll say, well, how do I write that? How do I write this? Log base E of 100 equals what? Well, we don't write it this way when we're dealing with E. A shorthand for it. ln. Natural log. ln of 100 equals what? Well, once you see ln, you know we're talking about log base E. All right, so now let's bring this calculator back over here. And there you see the button ln. I'm going to hit ln, key in 100, close parens, hit enter, and I get 4.605170186. Wow. So that means that e to the 4.605 170186 power will equal 100. Let's see if that's true. I'm going to key in e. I'm going to raise that to the 4.605 170186 power and see what I get. And I get 99.65373. That's pretty close, especially considering I keyed in that number badly. Let's try that again. Shift E, and I'm going to raise that to the, what was that number again? That was 4.605, 4.605, 170, 186 power, 186 power. Let's see what I get this time. I get 100. Okay, okie dokie. So that gives us 100, and we're all very happy. So what do we pull out of this? We know that log base E of 100 equals x, and we wouldn't write it this way. We would simply write ln of 100 equals x. And that's all I want to talk about today. This is George Bull saying bye-bye.